Okay, so when we do their cares, the first thing we usually do is take their temperature. So let me get this thermometer and I'll show you.
Hi, Denise.
They just have these little probes, and you just click it in there.
Okay.
Just push down on it. Okay.
I'll be right back.
Okay. And then you can just lay this on the floor. You just want to lift your arm up and put it like this.
Okay.
I'll show you. You want it to go parallel with the body like that, and then you just have to kind of hold her arm down because she'll want to squirm and move, and then it will beep when it's done. And we'll see what it says. I know. 37.5, so she's a little warm.
But that's okay.
Oh yes, she's doing good.
Okay.
So yeah, you can. I tried to. She was kicking around, so I was trying to get her legs.
She keeps on peeing.
Yeah, she's peeing good.
Okay.
She does good. Okay, so I'll show you a trick that we do here. These diapers are so wide in their legs, so we kind of scrunch these up so that they're not so wide. I wish we could lower this for you.
Yeah.